Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and we got a great question on our YouTube channel from Tim in Memphis, Tennessee, and he had a company several years ago remove mold, but they didn't stop the humidity, and he was wondering if that was normal. Stay tuned. Okay, so Tim wrote us an email and actually was asking, he paid this company several years ago to go in and to take care of the mold. That's all he said. I don't know if they removed it, if they just sprayed it, or what they did, but he said that they didn't seal the vents. And obviously, if they didn't seal the vents, I can only assume they're not controlling humidity, because in Memphis it's pretty humid. So if it's high humidity outside the crawl space and the vents are open, it's naturally going to be high humidity inside. So is this a normal practice for people to do? And the answer is yes, it's very normal, but incorrect. If you're paying someone to go in and remove mold or even spray a disinfectant on the mold, number one, they need to control the humidity before they even get started. Because if the wood is too wet before they apply the mold disinfectant doesn't even work. So, and obviously if they allow the structure to get humid again, so if the crawl space gets humid again after they apply the mold disinfectant, it's just going to come right back. So you got to make sure that you control humidity from the beginning and in the future, not only to address the mold initially, but also to keep it from coming back. And this is also causing an odor issue in his crawl space, because obviously, even if they applied mold killer and it's dead mold is a fuel or a food for live mold, because it's an organic matter that the new mold can grow on, even if it was sprayed and killed properly. But if the humidity rises, it gives the mold another opportunity to grow on the old dead mold. So make sure you get it done right, and you get it done by a professional that knows what they're doing, so you don't have to pay somebody every couple of years to address the mold issue in your crawl space. So great question. We appreciate you watching this video, and we hope you like it down below, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.